people, it's Rickita and I'm back with another video. So on this video, I wanted to actually answer a question that I got. So somebody asked me if they should get that Kikoff account. So with Kikoff, you guys, it's going to be different. So I want to talk to you guys about Kikoff and how you can boost your credit score over 50 points. And I want to tell you who this is actually for. So if you guys already have, like, if your credit score is already over like I'll say like a 620 or sometimes like a 640 if you want to push it, then Kikoff may not be for you. That means that you may already have accounts in your credit reports. You may not need to do this. But if your credit score is under a 620, 640, then you may want to go ahead and sign up for this Kikoff account. So let me answer a few more things to see if you can actually get it, because I definitely want to answer it to see if you can possibly, or if you should, get that Kikoff account. Now, right now, I am training for a race. You can see I have my Tough Mudder shirt on. I was going to do this in Atlanta, but I changed my mind about it. I said I didn't want to do this one. Not right now. I'm going to wait to actually come back to Florida. Then I'm going to do it. But I do have another run on the 22nd. So please, you guys, tune in for that. I'll make sure I post that run. And then also, I'm having a big run near Orlando in October. I would love if you guys to come out. It's going to be so huge and so fun. So if you guys want to start doing a running thing, then if you guys are used to runs too, I definitely suggest you guys come out, because that's going to be a huge run that I'm actually putting together. So I cannot wait. I'll make sure I post the details on that run for sure. But let's get into this Kikoff. Let me not waste any more time, okay? Let's get into this Kikoff account. Now, when it comes down to Kikoff, this is my Kikoff account. I'm logged into my Kikoff account. I like Kikoff only if, like I said, your credit score is not over the 640 mark, because it could drop your credit score. And I don't want it to drop your lower your credit score. And it could lower it because you got a new account. You're messing up your average age of accounts. That means you have too many recent accounts too. And they're not going to give you a hard inquiry, so I'm not concerned about that. It's just the point that sometimes you just don't need this account in your credit reports, especially knowing that they're reporting a $750 account, which is this one here. Mine is actually $500, but if you guys were to sign up, it's going to be $750. So they're going to report a $750 credit account on your credit reports. But if you guys already have other credit cards that have a higher limit than that, then I just don't think that you guys should get it. Now, if you guys do not have other credit cards and you need to start building your credit, then I do suggest that you guys go ahead and sign up for their credit account. It's like the first account that they do. I suggest that you guys sign up for that. So it's going to be about $750, I believe. And then you have to buy things in a store. Now, this is a problem. So if you can see right here, I have a balance. So my statement balance is $7.11, and I'm paying $2 per month for this, okay? Now, what I had to do is I had to buy something in their Kikoff store so that they can go ahead and report to the credit bureaus, because they're not going to report if you guys don't have anything that you guys bought. So I seen some people getting things that was very high that made their utilization higher than normal. I want you guys to keep your utilization as low as you can get it, okay? So like if you have to keep doing this every 3 months and just pay the $4.22, this right here is going to help your credit a lot, okay? So that's for 3 months. That's going to extend it for 3 months. This is going to extend it for 2 months. But make sure you guys come back in here and buy something else so that they can continue to report for you. Now, some people are getting things like this, like 15 months, 18 months. Yeah, you can get this, but it's just messing up your utilization. Like my new utilization gonna be 14%, which is good. I want the utilization to be at 5%. So something like this will be bad. I wouldn't want you guys to get something like this. Now, if I was to get this here, the one I'm telling you to get, my utilization gonna be at 2%. That is perfect. So you want to keep a utilization under 5%. That would be a goal. So definitely get this account. If your credit score is under that 620, 640 mark, and you don't have credit cards, you need to get credit cards, definitely go ahead and get this credit account, and you'll just buy something on their stores. So try to get something where utilization is going to stay under that 5%. Now, I also did that credit builder loan. I did that with you all. I signed up right online with you all so you can see how it worked, and I paid on it for 12 months. It was $10 per month. I paid on it for 12 months and it was over with. This is actually a good loan if you guys don't have any installment accounts in your credit reports, like student loans. Also, if you guys don't have like a car loan, some people think that they just want to get a car loan to start building their credit. Just get this and get the self account too. I told you guys plenty of times about self. If you don't know about self, definitely look it up. Check out some of my other videos I did about the self credit builder account, because that can help you all too. And they're not charging you any interest with this one. And after my 12 months, they told me, hey, your 12 months is up. I didn't even know my 12 months was up, you guys. I didn't know. But when I found out about it, like I found out about it the day before Valentine's Day, actually, on the 13th. And then I withdrew it. I did it right on the internet, so you guys can see it. I recorded it. I withdrew the money and the money was in my account the next day. So that is really good. So I definitely suggest you guys go ahead and get the credit builder loan. I like to use the rental karma. And then you guys can use my code Rickita25 to get $25 off of it. I like to use rental karma instead of using this here. I haven't used that cash card yet. I'm not planning on using the cash card yet. So if you want to get the cash card, you can get the cash card. But the accounts that I really like for sure with Kikoff is actually the credit account that they have here, where it's going to be $750. And I seen people getting one that's like they're paying, I think it's like it's like a $2,500 account. They're paying $20 a month. I don't suggest that. That's a lot of money. Like, to me, that is a lot of money. That means in 12 months, you're going to pay $240. You might as well just got you a secure credit card, seriously, and let that graduate to a regular credit card. Like, you could have got the Discover or the Navy Federal credit card for 200, or, you know, more than that, and let that graduate in 6 to 8 months. And you would have had an unsecured credit card other than this one, because you're going to have to keep paying on this constantly. So don't do anything like that if you can't get the $750 account. I don't like paying a $4. I like the $2. It was like, okay, that's not too much. You're paying $24 a year. That's fine. It's going to boost your credit score within that year. You get more credit cards. But then you went to $48 and you're paying $4 per month. $20 per month is just ridiculous, you guys. Do not do that. If you need to get a higher limit credit card, please just go ahead and get a secure credit card, because I think that's going to help you on more. So go ahead and get this one for the $750 limit, and then go ahead and start your credit builder loan. And those two should help you start boosting your credit score so that you can get other credit cards, because there's other credit cards that you guys can be able to get and should be able to get. Now, let me show you all, because I have my website where I put together all of these different accounts. Hopefully, you guys can be able to get approved for some of these other accounts. Let me see where I can find it, if I even still have it up. Yeah, so hopefully you guys will be able to get approved for some of these other accounts. Here it is here. So once you start getting like that Kikoff account, you guys should be able to get some of these other accounts that's on here. Like, this is that self account I told you all that you can get. They have an installment account. After you have your installment account for so long, then they'll allow you to be able to get this card here. Again, it's no credit check for that. That's what I really like about that one. The credit builder card, if you guys cannot get any credit card, especially if you file bankruptcy, and like right if y'all file bankruptcy, you can get this credit builder card to start boosting your credit score up. I definitely suggest it, and they'll allow you to get 2 of them without a credit check. You guys also have that Kikoff. This is the one I showed you. Somebody credit scored one of 74 points from that Kikoff. And look, they're at 610 now. So definitely get that Kikoff account. This is the Discover Secured I told you to get. If you think about getting that $2,500 account, just get this one. Like, seriously, just get that. The Tumo card is another great card that you can get. I told you all I love my Tumo card. They can approve you all the way up to $10,000, but it's more like a charge card. So anything you use on your card is going to be due that Sunday. So just don't think you're going to hold a balance on it, because you're not. They're not going to pull your credit. They're going to just look at your banking history and approve you based off of that. This is that Navy Federal Secure card I told you. You can put $200 on this card. It can go all the way. It can graduate to $2,000. So definitely check that one out. The Pedal One Visa, they're going to check your bank and your account, but they can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. So get that one if that's something that you may be interested in. The Capital One Platinum Secure credit card. A lot of people say that their card has been graduating. Now, some people say that they did not get it to graduate, but I see a lot of people say that they were able to get it to graduate. So definitely check out the Capital One Platinum Secure card because this may be a great card for you. The Open Sky Visa credit card. This is a great one if you guys can't get approved for any credit card. They even have a new one that can graduate, so definitely check that one out. The Discover is Student Chrome card. This is a great credit card for students. So if you're a student, definitely get that one, but just make sure that you're using your student email address when you apply for it. The Credit One bank card, check the fees on this one, but it is a great card for those people that maybe you file bankruptcy or you don't have any credit history. It's a great card to start. They do have some with no annual fees, and that's going to be for those people that have like a better credit score. The Mission Lane credit card, they can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. They may have a higher annual fee, so double check that. You have a Credit Strong account. This is like last resort. You get this Credit Strong account, so I don't really want to talk about that. The Prosper credit card, this one they can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. Plus, they'll let you know exactly what they can approve you for before you even like once you pre-qualify for it, they'll let you know the exact amount you could pre-qualify for. The Milestone card, this is a great one. Also, check the fees though on this one. The annual fees is the key. Indigo also, somebody said they got approved for the Indigo card with a higher limit. Well, higher limit when you have bad credit, should I say, like more than $300 basically. And they did have an annual fee, so definitely see if they can give you one. We have the Destiny credit card here. Check the fees on that. And these are just a few credit cards you guys can definitely get approved for, especially after you guys start building your credit with Kikoff. So let me know if you guys have any questions. I have another meetup that is starting where I'm teaching you guys five ways to increase your credit score 60 points in 60 days. So definitely check it out, you guys. A lot of people have been seeing great results even after 2 weeks. So definitely sign up. Some people had their credit score go up 80 points. 2 people actually in the group that we're doing now. So our next group is going to start next month. So definitely sign up now. All you have to do is just have my membership and then you could be able to sign up. So let me know if you guys have any questions. Hopefully you guys found this video useful. Let me know your results from having Kikoff also. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.